Maren Shields is a mother who says her street is safe. Kids play outside. The neighbors all know each other. But early Tuesday morning, they got a rude awakening.
I woke up because I heard some shouting.
Across the street, the man caught on camera tries to take a roller bag off the front porch. He sneaks up, begins to walk away when the homeowner comes running out the door.
Hey, get out of here right now. That's fine.
The suspect drops the bag. The homeowner chases him off. The shouting continues. I talked to the homeowner on the phone, and he tells me he acted on instinct and wanted to get that prowler off his front porch. Meanwhile, neighbors say there was a second person acting suspiciously just a few houses down. They found a woman they don't know in their neighbor's car.
When Iris came out to talk to the woman in the neighbor's driveway, the woman lurking there said, "Well, I'm just here to see my aunt." And it was very obvious she wasn't here to see her aunt because we all know everyone, and we knew that her aunt didn't live there.
Shields says police caught that woman down the street with a few of their neighbors' belongings. Portland police can't confirm that she was arrested, and while the man in the video got away, Shields says they found the woman because they have a close-knit neighborhood.
I'm talking about neighbors taking care of neighbors.
Hello, yes, I'm not there. Please put that out for me, please. I'm on my way home.
Your house on fire.
Yeah, I know. I'm on my way.
Fire down the door. That's somebody talking.
I'll be on there. I'll be there in a second.
Hey!
Are
Stop
you
that.
okay?
Leave my house or I'm calling the police.
Okay, what you need to do...
Hey, leave my house. Stop now or I'm calling the police.
Why would you tell me that?
Because you're trying to push my door in. Leave now.
I'm about to smash what's in there.